Hello you guys, my name is Hannah. I'm one of the agents here with FisboGo, and today I wanted to talk about home renovations. But first, before we jump into that, little side note, if you're 20 something and thinking, oh my gosh, I don't think I'm able to get a house because there's a whole laundry list of things. I don't have good enough credit, I don't have a down payment, I'm not old enough, yada yada yada, you know. It's not as unobtainable as you may think it is. So there are so many different home loans that are geared specifically towards first-time home buyers that a lot of them require minimal to no down payment whatsoever. And interest rates are so good right now anyway that making a house payment is sometimes even cheaper than your average rent. So anyway, just something to think about. Definitely check out some local lenders. We recommend a few. Just give us a holler. We can send you in the right direction. But anyway, jumping into the video today. Home renovations. Yay! So my home that I own is 100 years old and it's gorgeous. I love it. However, there's this one bathroom in our upstairs that the person that we bought it from, they used the wrong type of paint. So over the last year, it's had a little bit of wear and tear on it. Paint started peeling and it started cracking. It looks straight out of a horror film. Like, you'll see, trust me. But anyway, my husband and I had decided it was finally time to actually do something about it. So we renovated it, and I just wanted to show you guys the process from start to finish. And I was so proud of it, especially considering that my husband and I, we did everything ourselves. So if you need help with tiling, I gotcha. So anyway, just keep watching. Hope you enjoy.
Alrighty, here's what it looked like before we started. So as you can see, there's a bunch of peeling paint and the walls are just cracking from all the moisture. It was not a cute look and not good for the overall integrity. So what we actually had to do was peel off all of that chipping and peeling paint, and it actually took us 2 full days. And some of these chunks were huge. Like, as you can see, this one was just over the bathtub, so obviously a lot of moisture there. But we got it all down. We got that natural color exposed, which I don't blame them for wanting to cover it up. It's not the greatest color. But after that, then we were finally able to start tiling, which please appreciate those angle cuts there. It was super hard to do. But then we were able to actually grout everything. So we ended up doing this window wall here, and then also the toilet wall and up and around the bathtub. And not only that, but then we are actually able to paint the wall and the ceiling there with the correct paint so it would resist some of that moisture there. But we're actually going to be shiplapping the right there. So, meh. But here's what it looks like all finished, and I'm so happy with how it turned out, you guys. Like, no joke, especially considering that we really had no idea what we were doing. I think it turned out pretty great. That white is just classic and really just fits into our 100-year-old home now. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll talk soon. Bye!